Welcome to sarahsophia.com. This is the Hot Girls Guide. I'm going to show you how to do your hair like Daenerys from the Game of Thrones. In the first season, you can see she has her hair done a lot like this when she's with the Dothrakis. And this is called the Waterfall braid. And she wears it in this headband style a lot. So this is how we do this braid. All right, now we're all ready to start making the braid. So section your hair. This is a half head style braid, so section a larger portion of hair. Something like that. And just break that into two pieces. Like so. And cross them over, one on top of the other. Like that. Then take a section of hair from behind, bringing it down in between your first twist there. So you'll see we've got a piece here, and it's in between these two. Now we're just going to twist those to secure that in place. Now take another section of hair and place it in between, just like so, building up our braid around the head, and then twist these again after securing it in place. Gather another section, and I always like to brush it out with my fingers before I drop it in, just so that it looks nicer, more well kept. And there's another piece there, like that. And twist that, just like so. Now, this is a little bit more difficult because you have to feel from the back, like this. And I'm just going to pull it over to the side to show you. I've crossed these two here, and I'm placing another strand in the middle. Just like that. Now, going to turn so you can see me do the back. I'm just going to secure this piece to deal with after. So we're going to twist right here, just like so, and use one of our bobby pins to put that down. And just adjust with your fingers and make sure that looks how you like it. And now we're going to start from the other side. So again, sectioning your hair into a big chunk section. Like that. And just breaking it into two, making sure that it looks neat and tidy, and cross it over like so. Then grab a piece from the back and drop it in the middle. Just like that. Now smooth it out, twist, and get a new section. And you just repeat this all the way around until you've made your lovely headband, woven headband. See, cross over, and take from the back section of hair and drop that in the middle, just like so. You can adjust it as you go and more afterwards as well. Okay, and we're going to carry on. Take another little piece from the back. We're almost done now. Drop that in the middle. And just tighten that up. Like that. And I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. Okay. So now, oops, it's just a little hard to see, but you'll be able to get the hang of it. I'm sure, no problem. Just another piece of hair there. And drop that in the middle. And cross over. And get our final piece of hair. There. And just cross that over. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I hope that you're able to see that. And I have hair extensions, so I want to make sure too that you're double checking that nobody can see that after you're all done styling your hair. Don't want your weave showing. Okay. And we're just gonna take off the bobby pin from earlier and twist these two like so, and just close that up and just tuck the bobby pins underneath. Go through it all and check with a mirror. Make sure all of your strands are pulled nice and loosely down. And we're all done. That is how you make the beautiful waterfall headband at home, courtesy of the Hot Girls Guide. Thanks for watching.